Ready to unlock the power of Stripe and start accepting payments like a pro? First, head over to Stripe.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, now is the time to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard, which is the control center for everything Stripe. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This is where you manage all the things you sell. If you already have a product set up, great. Click on it. If not, create a new product by clicking Add Product in the top right corner. Now, on the product details page, scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you'll find your price ID. It usually starts with price_. Copy this, as you'll need it for your application. Alright, now let's grab your secret key. Go back to the left sidebar and click on Developers. Under the Developers tab, you'll see API keys. Click on that. Here, you'll find your secret key. This is super sensitive information, so keep it safe. Click Reveal Secret Key and copy it. Treat this key like a password. Never share it publicly or commit it to your code repository. And that's it. You now have your Stripe Price ID as secret key, ready to integrate into your application and start processing payments.